Hi, my name is Natalie Gonzalez. I'm 30 years old. I'm from Bogota. I work at Teleperformance Colombia as a collagen. And my hobbies are watching movies in Netflix and listening hip hop. I have one sister and one brother. And I live with my mother, my younger brother, and my daughter. My mother is Rubiela Gomez. She's 54 years old. She's housewife. She's very kind and generous. She's short and she has brown eyes and her hair is black and short. And my brother is Juan Pablo. Juan Pablo is 18 years old. He is studying English at the university. He's handsome, tall, thin. Her hair is curly, and his eyes are brown. She's very friendly and outgoing. My younger sister is Angelica. Angelica is um, 25 years old. She's bacteriologist. She's short. She has brown hair and her eyes are um, black. She's very shy and confident. And my daughter is Isabela Sanchez. Isabela, she's 7 years old. She's in second grade. She's very smart and funny, and um, she's tall, very very tall by her age. Um, her hair is long and brown, and her eyes are black. This is my life, and